He bought a car, used car lot, and 13 miles down the road, check engine light goes off. They put like water in the turbo instead of like coolant, so the engine was shot or whatever. I don't know. There's your hypothetical.
I mean, if the, like, when you buy a vehicle,
Yeah.
it's buyer beware, you buy it as is. But if they intentionally did something to the vehicle that damaged it, that was an unknown defect, but they knew was intentional or incorrect,
Fraud.
they'd be responsible for it.
Like a misrepresentation.
Well, yes, like, so when you sell a vehicle, you have to disclose any known defects to it, right? You can't just not disclose something like that.
You purposely put like water in it, I'm assuming.
Well, so that's the thing, like, I can't misrepresent something to you, right? Technically the warranty of merchantability says that like an item has to be suitable for the purpose of which it's being sold for, right? A bowl has to hold water. If it doesn't, there's an implied warranty that you can return it or get your money back, right?
Car has to drive.
I mean, if they're selling it to you, like cars can break down, there can be unknown things, right?
Yeah.
But if the car has like an oil leak and the dealer knows it has an oil leak and he just like throws some, STP stop leak in there to make it look like it's fine, or it's got a check engine light on it and he clears the code 5 minutes before you get there and he knows the check engine light's gonna come on as soon as you leave the lot, that's fraud. Like he's intentionally trying to mislead you. He knew there was a known defect, he didn't disclose it to you, and he has a duty to notify you if there's a known defect.
Yeah.
And not intentionally try to misrepresent it. He's like, oh, it's perfect, it's fine, runs and drives great. If he knows that it didn't, if he knows that there's been a repair that made the vehicle unsafe, like even, forget all of that, right?
Yeah.
If I have a car and then I make a repair to it myself, and then I sell that vehicle to you, and then you become injured or something happens, not because the vehicle was poorly maintained, but because I created the defect or did something improper, then I would have the liability for it. Like if I put brakes on it and then sold it to you, but I put the brake pads on backwards and then you got into an accident, right? I'd be responsible for your damages.
The issue here is the paper trail. I mean, I guess the best evidence is that it only drove 13 miles before, the engine got shot.
Well, no, the evidence, but you would have to have a mechanic look at it and figure out, like, was it defective prior? And how does water get into, like, if it's supposed to be oil there, how did water get into it? If there isn't a leak in the manifold or something like that, if there's water in the engine, but there's no leak in the cooling system, then there's no way for water to get into the engine except from the cooling system unless someone intentionally put the water in there, right? Like if that's the thing. It's like there's no way for sugar to get in the gas tank unless someone put the sugar in there.
Well, good point.
Yeah.
I guess I'll update him, tell him we got free lawyer advice.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.